Hello, Can Do Guy here again. We're gonna do a run on my lights, the LED headlights on the UTV, the Alpena fog lights on the front, and the Roadshock LED bar lights on top of the roof. We'll see how this goes. Right now I have the regular LED lights on the UTV. I'm going to switch to the fog lights. There's the fog lights. Now I'm going to turn on the Roadshock. This is just the Roadshock lights on the roof. And now we have just the headlights, LED lights on the UTV. So I'm assuming it does make somewhat of a difference. Okay, that is all three. Hold on, we'll be right back. I'm going to adjust the bar light on top and see what happens. Okay, we're back. There's my dog. We are running the Roadshock Harbor Freight lights right now on top of the roof. That's what the distance look like. I could probably adjust them a little more later. I'm going to turn those off. That is the headlights. And now we will have the spotlights, Alpena from Walmart. Okay, we'll turn them all back on again. It looks like it's pretty well good out here to see everything. Right now, all three lights are on. Spotlights from Walmart. Headlights. And again, these are the ones from Harbor Freight, the Roadshock. 22-inch bar. I think they do a pretty good job. Give me a like, subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.